Are you wanting to start earning $500, $1,000, even $2,000 high ticket affiliate commissions? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple yet highly effective 5-step process you can use to start earning big commissions even if you're a beginner. Now you can see right here on the screen, these are screenshots of a couple days inside of one of my Stripe accounts. You can see over $2,000 made there, and then a one high ticket affiliate commission earning $2,000 on that day as well. Now, before I dive into the very first step, I also have a free private training you can get access to at the link below, revealing a $500 a day strategy to promote affiliate links without even needing a website. But without further ado, let's get into the very first step. So the very first step is we need to find a high ticket product to promote. Now, there's a lot of places you can go. In this video, I'm gonna use ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketplace. All you have to do is go to clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, just go up here where it says start here, okay? You wanna click right there, and then you just go through the simple sign up process, which takes just about a couple minutes, and it's actually totally free. Now, once you're in your back office inside of ClickBank, next we need to actually go to the affiliate marketplace, and then they're gonna have all these different categories or niches, okay, that you can actually choose from. Things like health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, self-help, home and garden. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using a product in e-business and e-marketing, which is more like make money online. So all you have to do is click on that category there, and then there's actually going to be all these different drop downs of products that you can actually choose. Okay, so just to demonstrate, this is a product here. Okay, these are all different products and offers you can select. But what you want to do inside of ClickBank is you want to sort results by gravity, high to low. Okay, so if you go to the sort results, there's going to be a drop down, gravity, high to low. That's going to basically sort the results by the best selling products at the very top. Okay, so you can see the gravity score right here. This means that this product is selling very well. So if you sell a product that other people are selling well, it's going to be very good. So we want to scroll down, and as you can see on the right side here, okay, the average dollar per conversion. This is what is the average amount of money after people go through all the upsells and downsells inside of this product's funnel. What is the average amount you're going to make as an affiliate? Okay, so we want to look for a product that has a good gravity score, okay, but also has a high ticket commission, okay, because this is high ticket affiliate marketing. So we want to look, now currently they don't seem to have a lot, okay, with the gravity. So what you can actually do is either choose one here, or you can always promote an independent affiliate offer, something like the Legacy Builder program, which I actually promote as well, which pays you $900 commissions. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to use this product here. So now you want to get your affiliate link. So all you have to do is click promote right there, put in your affiliate nickname that you created when you joined ClickBank, click continue, and then go to the bottom. And this right here is your affiliate link. So we want to copy this. Okay, so now anytime someone goes to this link here and they actually decide to buy the product, you're going to earn a commission. Okay, so we can see what it looks like here. This is the sales page. So what I like to do is I like to put the affiliate link inside of a notepad file so we can keep this handy. Now, step number 2 is we want to create a funnel. You don't want to just send people to this link because most people will not buy right away and you're going to leave money on the table. We want to capture people's email addresses and then redirect them to the offer so we can follow up automatically. So one place you can go is system.io. This allows you to create a free funnel and collect up to 2,000 email addresses. Okay, so you can use this for free, and as you start earning money, if you want to upgrade, you can. There's going to be a link in the description. On this page, all you have to do is go here, start for free now, and then go through the process to sign up there. Now, once you're inside of system.io, all you have to do is go up here where it says websites, okay? And when you want to click on that right there and then go to sales funnels. This is going to be how we're going to create our funnel. So then once you're there, just go up to the top right where it says create and click there, and then just click build an audience because we want to build an audience, an email list, and then choose a name. So for this, I'll just do test funnel, but you can title it whatever the name of the product is. So then I'm just going to save that, and then we just want to click the name of the funnel, and it's going to go into this funnel here. Now, by default, it's going to have a squeeze page, and it's going to have a thank you page, okay? But for the sake of this, we're just going to create a squeeze page to capture their email, and then we're going to redirect them to the affiliate offer. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you select squeeze page, and they have all these different templates. But what I like to do is just select this top one here, go to edit page on the right so we can actually edit what this funnel looks like. And then what I want to do is I want to delete all of this stuff. Okay, so as a template, it's going to have all this stuff here. I like to just start from scratch. So all you have to do is go to the top right, and they have this little green trash can. Just select there and just go through and delete everything. So now we have a blank canvas to work with. The first thing we want to add is a headline text. So just click and hold and then drag that there. Now this is the headline on our capture page, which is very important when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing. Because we're selling a higher ticket product, most people are not going to buy right away. So we need to follow up by collecting their email. So the way you can come up with the headline very easily is to actually just look at the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page with the offer. So I can literally just take this headline here and I can make that the headline. Okay. Now, if I want to make this slightly different, I could say how to make, 3,000 plus per commission without doing any selling or work, right? So now that's slightly different. If I want to make this bigger, I can just move the font size, okay, and move the line height so that it's more spaced, right? And then now we just need to add at the left a form input. Okay, so this is going to be how we collect our prospect's email address. And then we just want to select button, click and hold, and then put that under this, okay? Now, click on this box right here, and we want to choose input type as email because we want them to put their email in. And then for button, you can click there, and then you can actually, where it says action when button clicked, submit form. Do you want to redirect users after contact? We want to select to a custom URL, and we want to make the redirection URL our affiliate link. So that means when someone actually goes to this page and they submit, it's going to redirect them to our affiliate offer. So just paste that in right there, okay? And then if you want to edit this text, scroll down and it says click here, and then just for subtext, just remove there, okay? Now, you can edit this more, you can change the colors, but I just want to share with you very simply and quickly how to get going. Click Save Changes, and then click this right here to exit. Okay, step number 3 is we now need to create a follow-up sequence, because once someone goes to this page right here, they put their email in, now we want them to start getting automated emails, converting them on our high ticket offers. So in order to do that, go back into system.io. We want to go to the emails tab and then click campaigns. So now I have all these campaigns right here, but what you want to do is create a new one. So go to the top, create, name it. So I would name it the product name. Again, I'll just do test follow-up for this video. Sender email address. You need to attach a email address to system.io to send emails from. Okay, there's tutorials on the site on how to do that very easily. And then just click save. Then we want to go into the campaign that we just created. Okay, so click into there, right, this. And then what you want to do is go to the top where it says create, and you want to create at least one follow-up email. Okay, so subject, you can say, congrats, you're in. Okay, so this is the first email that someone will get automatically when they put their email into our page. So typically in the first email, we just want to welcome them, thank them, and we want to send them the link to our affiliate offer. Now, I'm going to have future videos walking you through exactly how to do email marketing. So be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. But in this video, I'll set you up with at least one email just to get going. So subject line, that's the headline of the email. Okay, that's the subject. And then for the body, we want to write a very simple email. So I can say, hey, congrats on getting access to the info on, right? And then we can just literally copy this title. Okay, so it says, hey, congrats on getting info. Here is the link for the info. Okay. And then all the best, and then your name. Okay, so Garrett is my name, so I'll put my name there. Now again, you want to make this a little bit longer. You want to start to build rapport and get people to know, like, and trust you. Again, I'll share how to do that in future videos, but I'll just get you started. Here's the link for info. We want to copy that right there and then go up here and we want to click this little paper clip, and then we just want to go back to our affiliate link and we want to paste that in right there. Okay, so now it's highlighted. So now when someone goes to this page right here, they put their email in. Okay, this is the first email they'll get access to, and then we'll have the link. So just click save, and then you can actually, save and test, save and publish. Okay, so activate, just click activate right there, and now this will send. So click exit. Okay, so now we have one email sent. Now we need to go back to the website, the sales funnel, go into the funnel you created, and the last thing is we need to connect the squeeze page. Okay, we need to connect this, so when someone puts their email in, it automatically adds them to our campaign. So in order to do that, okay, just click the squeeze page, go to automation rules, click add rule at the bottom, and then trigger, we want to choose funnel step form subscribed. Okay, so we want to choose the funnel that we just created, and the funnel step is the squeeze page. Okay, that means the trigger. When someone subscribes to that page, what do we want them to do? We want them to subscribe to our campaign. So just choose, okay, the campaign you created, and then click save rule. So what's going to happen is when people go to our page right here, they put their email in there, they click here, it's going to redirect them to our affiliate offer, okay? And it's also going to send them that automated email. Okay, step 4 is we want to create a tracking link, okay? Because we want to start seeing where is our traffic coming from? Where are our sales coming from? So go back to the funnel you created, go to the squeeze page, and if you're using system.io, all you have to do is click this little paper clip right there, and it's going to actually copy the link to your squeeze page. Okay, so if you go to that link, it's going to take you to this page here. So again, you can just open a notepad file, and then you can just paste in the link to the capture page right there to keep this handy. Now, in order to create a tracking link and to actually know where your traffic and sales are coming from, there's a lot of different tools you can use. One of them that I personally use is called ROI Panel. There's going to be a link in the description as well. This allows you to actually create tracking links and see a lot of data, such as what country people are opting in from, what source of traffic brought you those leads and sales. So all you have to do is just click create new tracking link inside of ROI Panel. For tracking link title, you can just name this either the name of the offer. Okay, so I'll just do test offer, or you can name it the traffic source. The target URL is going to be our capture page. Okay, so we just paste that in right there. That is when someone goes to click on our tracking link, where do we redirect them to? And we want to redirect them to our capture page. Okay, that's good. Cost type. Okay, so right here, if you're doing paid traffic, you want to put what is the cost per click? Okay, or is there a total cost? Okay, so if you paid, $500 to a person to get you traffic, you want to put that in. Or you can just leave that blank. If it's like social media, Facebook, and there is no cost, you can just leave that blank. And then traffic source. Okay, so traffic source, we want to put in where is the traffic for this specific tracking link. So it's good to create a tracking link for Facebook, a tracking link for YouTube, and then use different links on different platforms so you can see inside of your ROI panel where is your leads and traffic most coming from so you can scale up. So for the sake of this video, I'm actually going to put in solo ads, okay, as the traffic source. And let's say there's a cost per click for 55 cents, okay? Then you just click save, and that's going to create the tracking link. So you can see right here, this tracking link is now created. So this is the link you want to actually promote when you start to get traffic. When you start getting people going to your link, you want to send people to this link here, because what's going to happen is when people go to this link, and I'll open it, it's going to redirect to our capture page. But what it also did was it tracked where that lead is coming from, okay? And then when they put their email in, now you can actually start tracking even more, and that's going to be very good. Now, the last step is to start to get traffic, okay? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get solo ad traffic, which is one of the fastest and easiest forms of traffic out there today. All you have to do is go to a site called udemy.com. There's going to be a link in the description as well. When you're on this site, create a free account. And what this allows you to do is go to the top where it says buy solos. And there's going to be all these different people that you can buy a solo ad from. Okay, now it's very effective, and you can choose. Usually the lowest price is about $100, all the way up to thousands of dollars. You choose how much you want to pay. But what this does is all of these people have lists of emails. Okay, just like we're getting our own email list here, they're going to have email addresses of people also. And a lot of these people have thousands of people on their email list, and their email list is very warm. It's very trustworthy. So what we're going to do is we're going to pay these people to send an email to their list promoting our link. So let's say this guy right here, okay? I open his profile. All I have to do is go down. Okay, I can choose how many clicks I want. You can see the clicks right here. So this is 400. So I recommend anything from 200 to 300 when you start. So that's $153 at 49 cents per click. And then you can choose only link. And so what we want to do is go to our tracking, copy our tracking link, and we want to use that in the link in our ad. So when they send out an email to their email list, they're going to use this tracking link, and we're going to be able to see inside of our tracking here. Okay, if you go to view stats, you'll be able to see where the clicks are coming from. Are they coming from top tier countries like United States, Canada? Or are they coming from, low tier countries that maybe not have a lot of money to purchase your high ticket offers? So then once you pick someone here, just click continue, and you can just pay with PayPal or a debit or a credit card. There we have it, my friend. These are the 5 simple steps to start earning daily high ticket affiliate commissions. If you got value, subscribe and hit the like button. I have a lot more videos coming. Also, again, be sure if you do want access to my free training, sharing with you how to get free traffic, a strategy that's incredibly simple and takes no more than 10 minutes a day, go to the link below and get access to that while it's still available. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.